Hello everyone. SG Finserve has announced its September 2025 quarterly results, and this time the numbers show a steady business with solid liquidity and growth in lending operations, but slightly lower profitability due to higher borrowing costs and tighter margins. Let's break down the performance in detail. For the September quarter, the company reported total income of 7,471.69 crores compared to 3,089.17 crores in the same quarter last year. That's more than twofold jump year on year. The growth was led by a big rise in interest income from its lending portfolio and steady fee and commission income. Interest income increased to 7,261.84 crores compared to 3,074.19 crores last year, while fee income came in at 208.96 crores versus 14.9 crores a year ago. Now, moving to expenses. Total expenses stood at 3,627.57 crores, which is up from 1,021.79 crores last year. The sharp increase reflects higher borrowing costs as well as higher operating expenses linked to business growth. Out of this, financial costs were 3,032.75 crores, employee costs were 353.55 crores, depreciation was 16.72 crores, and other expenses were 232.63 crores. After deducting these, the company's profit tax stood at 3,844.12 crores compared to 2,067.38 crores last year. That's an increase of 86% rise in profitability year on year. However, after paying taxes of 1,004.15 crores, the net profit for the quarter stood at 2,839.97 crores, which is up from 1,412.22 crores last year. That's about a 100% increase in net profit year on year, showing strong expansion. On a half-year basis, SG Finserve posted total income of 14,730.70 crores compared to 7,443.21 crores last year, again nearly double. Net profit for the half year was 5,291.57 crores, which is up from 3,351.06 crores a year ago, a jump of 58% year on year. Earnings per share for the quarter came in at 5.08 rupees compared to 2.55 rupees last year, and 9.47 rupees per share for the half year compared to 6.06 rupees per share in fiscal year 2024. On the cash flow side, during the first half of fiscal year 2025, the company generated 7,788.22 crores of operating profit before working capital changes, compared to 5,241 crores last year, a clear jump of nearly 49%. After adjusting for working capital, the company reported net cash flow from operating activities of 56,010 crores, and after paying income tax of 2,392 crores, total net cash used in operations was 58,403.48 crores. That means while accounting profits are up, actual cash was used up to fund loan growth, a common trend for expanding NBFCs. So overall, this quarter clearly shows SG Finserve is in expansion mode, aggressively growing its lending book while keeping asset quality healthy and liquidity intact. The decline in cash from operations isn't negative. It reflects higher disbursements, which should translate into income in upcoming quarters. For investors, it's a quarter of strong growth with rising scale, though monitoring the debt levels and interest rates will be important as the company continues to expand.